All right, guys, still in Williamsburg. Stumbled across a cool little restaurant right here. It's called the Blue Talon Bistro. Super cute. It's just, I think, north of Gloucester Street. And it's back behind everything. So there's a couple little areas back here if you want to come back into this area. Definitely check it out. We're gonna go inside. It's all French cuisine, which I love. So let's go in. The menu.
Did that twice, so we remembered it. Never knew that.
Drinks. Wine list. Ooh, the best part. Ooh.
That's fun.
All right, we went with the short rib bourguignon and the rotisserie chicken. And Nicole's mom got the quiche Lorraine. Ooh, that looks good. It's not gluten-free though, but you know, that's okay. Perfect, let's dig in. All right, the beef, well, short rib beef bourguignon was amazing. Nicole's dish, actually, that was a lot of chicken. It usually comes with gravy, but the gravy does have gluten in it, so I definitely would recommend that little place. It's a cute little spot. The wine was great. We had a claret and I had a Cote de Rhone. So another great, fantastic place. We're just gonna kind of walk around here and check out some other stops. See you guys.